Okay, Mikey boy, we're gonna get this steaks ready, okay? So I'm getting out one of my children's forks, okay, so I can bang some holes into this sucker. I like to tenderize it, just like this. Like I said, I do this mostly for the holes. I'll do the other steak here. This is a ribeye, by the way. Not that that really matters to me. All right. Bang, holes done. Now I'm gonna grab my Worcestershire. Here we go. So I'm gonna drizzle this on. Oh yeah. And dude, I lather it. So it sits on both sides while it sits there. Kind of soaks in underneath too. But that's just the Worcestershire. I don't do that with the A1. While that sits there, I'm gonna get out my Brooks rub. I don't have any more Delmonico stuff, so I'm using Brooks. And I'm gonna let this sit here probably about 5 minutes, which I won't make you watch. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. You really can't see the Worcestershire anymore. It's kind of soaked in. There might be like a little puddle here or there, but most of it's soaked in, and then there's a bunch on the bottom, kind of soaking in from the bottom. So now I'm gonna put on the A1. Pour a little bit over the top. I buy crappy stuff. We use crappy stuff because then I can just be quite liberal with it. Put it over the top like so. And then here's the deal. When you're cooking it, as the heat hits the bottom, it sucks in the stuff from the top. So I heard. So I count on it to do that. I'm gonna put this over the top of it. Give that some extra flavor. I'm gonna take this and the chicken I did in the meantime, just kind of slathered it with barbecue to sit on the top for the kids. I'm gonna stick this in the fridge, let it sit there for about another half an hour. So I'm gonna throw these bad boys on the grill. Maybe I'll do a little more of a video for you then. All right, look at those babies. Now these suckers, and all this loveliness on the bottom, we're gonna save the dump over the top after. Oh yeah. And these suckers I'll flip after 5 minutes. Okay, it's final flip time. Gonna flip the steaks. Bang. Then we're gonna dump the gorgeous leftover stuff here. I've stirred it a couple times while it's been out here. And then I'm gonna hit the top of this one more time with my seasoning. We're gonna let this go for 5 more minutes and then we're gonna be all done. Okay, so that's it. That's how to cook it. And now we have the taste testing with a full panel. The wife, the kids, and the picky neighbor kid.